Strategy Selector is a brand new and exciting feature that has been added to the machine. You can access it by selecting Strategy Selector from the Strategies drop-down navigation. The Strategy Selector allows you to sort by both strategy type in this left-hand toolbar, as well as by a variety of technical indicators in the center: CAGR, drawdowns, Sharpe ratio, win percentage, average percent P&L, exposure, fill percentage, as well as additional parameters including max positions, minimum volume, and stop type. As you can see, the machine has 34 quantified strategies, as well as almost 33,000 tested variations that users can add to their portfolios. The major advantage of the Strategy Selector is the ability to sort through all 34 strategies and 33,000 variations at one time, rather than having to go to the strategy dropdown and look at one strategy at a time. One way for users to get started interacting with the Strategy Selector would be to eliminate certain types of strategies, such as all short strategies, all ETF strategies, or to eliminate all trend following. By clicking all strategies, you will select all or deselect all. You can also eliminate individual strategies by clicking any of the individual checkboxes next to the strategy name. For this example, we're going to eliminate equity short, mean reversion, and ETF short, mean reversion. By then filtering, you'll see that we still have 25 strategies and almost 25,000 variations remaining. We can then start to interact with the technical indicators. For the technical indicators, we can either type in the text box or we can use the sliders. We'll set CAGR at 10%. We're going to reduce our drawdown to 15%. And as you can see, this is negative numbers, but we're still moving from left and right to reduce our drawdown. For Sharpe ratio, we're going to put that in at 0.75. We're going to set a 50% win percentage, an average P&L of 4.5%, and we're going to ignore exposure and fill percentage. Also, we're not going to change any of the parameters, as we're going to include ETFs and include all stops. We will now filter for the results. After filtering, we have 16 strategies and 478 variations remaining. As with the data tables, we are able to sort on any of the individual column headers: CAGR, Sharpe ratio, win percentage, average P&L, etc. For this example, we are going to select variation 7343, a trend following strategy variation. Once we've clicked the radio button, it is automatically added to our selected variations for this portfolio. By clicking on the individual variation, it'll then show up in the data table by itself. If we click View Detailed Information, we can see all of our current selected variations for the portfolio. Finally, by clicking on the name of our portfolio at the top of the page, in this case New Portfolio, we will be automatically transported to the Portfolio Builder page, at which time we can begin to enter allocations for capital and allocation for percentages. At this time, we just wanted to provide a short introduction to the Strategy Selector. At a later time, we will be providing a more detailed tutorial on advanced portfolio building with the Strategy Selector. Thank you for your time today, and we hope that this has been a helpful look at the new functionality, design, and features of the machine.